Here is an update on Transhumance. After the previous video, I fixed a few issues and then began working on an update of the player character. The way I made their mesh was way too messy, especially their coat, and I found their design not cute enough. This time, I started with the skeleton, using it as a base of reference for the posture of the character. Then, I began working on my anatomy with a high poly model. Last time, for example, I skipped on the digitigrade legs because it was too complex, but this time I took the time to sculpt them in details and tried to give a more realistic feeling to the body. After that, I took screenshots of the character in different angles and drew over them to figure out the design, the clothing, everything. I took this and then went back to Blender to make a low poly model of the character. I sculpted, unwrapped the UV, textured, rigged, and boom, it was done. Now, I just had to bring the model to Godot and switch the Enchant model with it, which I managed to do relatively quickly. This time, I made sure I could easily edit the animations of the model inside the engine, which I found more comfortable. Once the animation were done, I was nearly finished. As a final touch, I was searching for a way to add fur to the character's body. I found the plugin So Fluffy by Max Muirman, which creates fur via shell texturing. Once I added it to the game, I just had to categorize the polygons that should be affected by the fur, tweak the values to make something pretty, and voila! Now that I had a character I felt satisfied with, I decided my next goal would be to update the environment of the first level to make it more interesting to explore and visually more intriguing. Have a great day and goodbye!